Hey there! Have you ever encountered a problem when working on a Deno project using the mssql npm package? Well, let me paint you a picture. So, you import the package with import SQL from npm mssql. But alas, you face a dilemma: no types show up in your VS Code. How frustrating, right? You type SQL, hoping for suggestions, but nada. And to top it off, everything you type after that defaults to any type. Annoying, isn't it? But worry not, my friend, for a solution is at hand. Now, let's dive into the solution. Imagine a world where you can have your cake and eat it too. In a classic TSC project setup, you can separate type resolution routes from source resolution routes. Picture this snippet of code. Import SQL from mssql. Import type connection from mssql. Beautiful, isn't it? This approach allows you to resolve both types and values from node_modules and node_modules at types. But here comes the kicker. Continuing with the solution, Deno, being the cool cat it is, sticks to its design principle of no non-standard module resolution. In simple terms, you can't have varying resolution routes. Tricky, right? But fear not. Deno offers a nifty workaround with the @tstypes declaration. Simply add @tstypes equals npm @typesmsql before import SQL from npm mssql, and voila, Deno will include type definitions from @typesmsql. It's like magic, but for your code. To wrap it all up, picture a world where your Deno project runs smoothly, with both types and values playing harmoniously together. By following the provided solutions, you can kiss goodbye to those pesky any types and embrace a more structured and error-free coding experience. So, go ahead, give it a try, and watch your Deno project shine. And remember, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy coding,